Hello friends, welcome to Civil's Right YouTube channel. My name is Avinash Agarwal and in this video I'll be discussing with you all ideas having large consequences are always simple. So this is a topic for essay which was asked in Civil Services Main Examination 2024. This was a part of section B. It was topic number 7 in the paper. So I'll be discussing with you the approach that you should take, the kind of introduction that you should write and the kind of conclusion that you should try and provide. सो ऑब्वियसली आप इस ऐसे को देखकर समझ रहे हैं that there has to be a lot of emphasis on ideas. You have to come up with simple ideas which have had very large consequences on humanity. So farming, zero, gravity, vaccination, evolution, usage of soap, World Wide Web, usage of the scientific method, democracy, human right, sustainable development. I am going to give you a lot of examples. These are all examples of ideas or simple ideas which are having large consequences. So your body is going to be all about these ideas essentially. Your introduction can be about a general overview which helps us in understanding what the importance of this particular statement is or what the meaning of this particular statement is, and then finally we can move towards the conclusion where we try to give out some learnings or some takeaways out of this entire discussion. So I will come back to this framework at the end of the session. Let me explain the fodder material to you. My request to all of you is that please attempt answer writing. Please write essays. That is the only way of clearing the examination. You are not going to clear the exam without answer writing. You are not going to clear the exam without practice. Keep that in mind. And if you practice, you will clear exams. Whether it is civil services or PCS or regulatory bodies, you will clear the exam. Please write and send your copies on support@civilsright.com. Let us start with the discussion. So the idea is that transformative ideas have shaped humanity the way it is, right? So these transformative ideas can be captured in single phrases, and those simple ideas can then start a revolution. These transformative ideas can be a very simple principle to understand, which can then dismantle age-old justices. So we are going to look at a lot of examples. Okay. So ideas with large consequences, often they are simple. They are not simple because they are simple, right? They are simple because somebody has worked hard to, make them appear simple, to make them accessible, to make them understandable by the common man. All right. So you have to work upon your ideas so that you can convert complex realities, complex principles into accessible truth, into digestible one-liners, right? So whether it is, you know, something as simple as demanding human rights or something as simple as talking about democracy, it is simple today. But it took us 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years to make these ideas acceptable, to make these ideas simple enough, to make these ideas relevant for everybody, right? So that's what the crux of this particular statement is, that we have to work upon our ideas so that they become simple, so that they appear simplified. So there has to be clarity, there has to be directness. Your ideas should be easily graspable, easily communicable, and easily implementable, right? They should become akin to fundamental truths, right? So like for example, principle of equality or the Declaration of Independence, these are now considered to be as fundamental principle, simple. But at one point of time, somebody strived, worked very hard to make these ideas so simply accessible and acceptable for all. The problem is that if you present your ideas in a complex manner, you're losing your audience. This is just as simple as public speaking. You have to speak in a manner such that your audience is able to get your message, right? So if you want people to act upon, let's say whatever thesis or idea or whatever you are working on, you have to break that complex idea into very simple to understand. What did Gandhiji do? Gandhiji said that boil water and create salt, right? So salt was made the focal point of India's civil disobedience. Very simple, anybody can do it, not complicated at all. So if you look at the writings or if you look at the body of work created by maybe a Gautam Buddha or Mahavira, right? So you will see that they speak in very, very simple terms, right? Nothing very complicated about what they're trying to say. Their rules, their guidelines, everything is very, very simple. The idea over here is that simple ideas, which are containing profound truth, which is something which a person can easily grasp and act upon, are the ones that people actually grasp and act upon. And when people act upon something, changes happen. So that's what the idea over here is. So we are not so, this topic is not so much about ideas, but it is also about the human capacity to process and engage the idea. And herein you can quote Albert Einstein that everything should be made as simple as possible but not simpler. जितना आसान कर सकते हो उतना करो, बट इतना भी आसान मत कर दो कि उसका जो रेलेवेंस है, जो उसका फंडामेंटल ट्रूथ है, वो गायब हो जाए. So this is what the crux of the matter is. I'm going to give you a lot of examples. I've already spoken about Gandhiji, right? I've already spoken about if you read Guru Nanak or Buddha or Mahavira, so immediately the examiner will be able to associate. And if you are aware of any of the guru's key sayings, and if you can make it a part, like if you can, let us say, list down 10 sayings of a particular guru that you are following or you are aware of, so you will be able to communicate very beautifully to the examiner कि देखो कितनी आसान बातें हैं, और जो इनको अगर हम फॉलो कर लेते हैं तो इसके वजह से हमारे सोसाइटी के अंदर कितना अच्छा चेंज आ सकता है. That is what you have to try and communicate. So please attempt answer writing and do send across your essays for us for a free evaluation, right? So the idea is that first idea is farming. Okay, very simple. So if you ask anybody ki which revolutions were important, people will talk about industrial revolution, people will talk about information revolution, people will talk about French revolution, but the Neolithic revolution in which humankind learned about farming, that is the most important of all, because then you could establish permanent dwelling, then you could create surplus food for the entire population such that others who are not required in farming could, let us say, work in government, work in trading, work in specialized professions such as, let us say, somebody became a cobbler, somebody became a carpenter, somebody became a metallurgist, and so on and so forth, right? So farming, which is something which we take for granted as of now, so it's a very simple idea that changed the way we are living. क्या करना था, right? बीज ही तो स्कैटर करने हैं और प्लांट ग्रो हो जाएगा और फिर उसको खा लेना है, कुछ करना थोड़ी है. So it's a simple idea, but when it was done, at that time it had a revolutionary impact. The idea of zero, right? So zero, it has been known, but it wasn't really known until 12th century Italian mathematician Leonardo Fibonacci included it in his book Liber Abaci, right? So this idea of zero eventually led to the concept of decimals. This idea of zero led to the concept of algebra, of quantum physics, of rocket science, of binary code that we are using in all our modern computers. Simple idea, easily communicable, understandable, has had a transformative impact. Gravity, discussed by Sir Isaac Newton in great detail, created universal law of gravitation. So Newton asked that if gravity can reach the top of the tree and can make the apple fall, can't it have an impact, let us say, higher up into the sky? Let us say, can't it have an impact on the moon? And yes, it can have impact on the moon, right? So we learned about tides, we learned about convection, we learned about how heating systems can become more efficient, we learned how to send satellites into orbits the moment we had understood these laws of gravitation, thanks to Newton. Very simple idea, right? Gravity, that it has a downward pull. So that downward pull ka idea, when somebody explained to us, somebody demystified that idea for us, its implications, etc. So then we have been able to, make these very important understandings and make these very important leaps ahead in terms of technology. Same goes for vaccination, right? 17th century India के अंदर स्मॉल पॉक्स स्कैब्स को पाउडर करके जो है लोगों के अंदर डाल दिया जाता था, सो दैट वी कैन इनकॉक्यूलेट देम अगेंस्ट स्मॉल पॉक्स, राइट? वेरी सिंपल आइडिया. स्मॉल पॉक्स स्कैब्स को जो है पाउडर फॉर्म के अंदर लोगों को दे दो, खिला दो, पिला दो, या उनको डाल दो, इंजेस्ट करवा दो, कुछ भी कर दो, या उनके बॉडी पे कर दो, राइट? पीपल बिकम इनॉक्यूलेटेड अगेंस्ट द डिजीज. सेम thing has been done today at a mass scale in the form of vaccination, that we can introducing an anti-gene, it encourages the body to produce antibodies which can boost बॉडीज इम्यूनिटी टू अ पर्टिकुलर डिजीज. वेरी सिंपल. ये बहुत सिंपल चीज जो है क्या है कि अगर बॉडी को हम लड़ना सिखाएंगे तो बॉडी लड़ेगा. अगर हम बॉडी को लड़ना नहीं सिखाएंगे, बॉडी को बताएंगे नहीं एनिमी कौन है, तो बॉडी लड़ेगा नहीं. समथिंग एज सिंपल एज दैट, राइट? नाउ दिस आइडिया is today saving literally millions of lives. This idea today is behind the reason why we are able to have the kind of longevity of life that we are having. Same goes for the idea of evolution, right? You can read it. My personal favorite is this one. I can't wait to discuss this idea with you. This is my personal favorite. So we know about soap and its importance, etc., etc. But it was only in the middle of 19th century when a sharp Hungarian doctor called, I will not be able to pronounce, so I will not try, but a sharp Hungarian doctor working in Vienna, he noticed that babies who were delivered by medical students were dying more often than babies delivered by midwives. तो अब ऐसा क्या है भाई कि midwives के हाथों में क्या जादू है जो medical students के हाथों में नहीं है? So he understood, he realized, he connected the dots that medical students, they had performed autopsies just prior to delivering the baby. So their hands were contaminated with microbes, etc. And those microbes were then getting transferred to these newborn babies. So therefore, he started or he put into place a regime of hand washing. And your infant deaths, they dropped substantially. Something as simple. अब ये हमने कोविड के टाइम पे भी देखा था, करेक्ट, कि an act as simple as hand washing can reduce the transmission of the virus quite substantially between people who are outside the homes and inside the homes, right? So soap is known. सोप इंपॉर्टेंट, हाथ धोना आसान बात है, बट ये हाथ धोना, ये क्लेनलीनेस हाइजीन जो है, जो आइडिया ऑफ एंटीसेप्टिक है, दिस इज सो इम्पॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम इन द मेडिकल फ्रेटर्निटी टुडे. सो यू कैन इमेजिन द काइंड ऑफ इम्पैक्ट इट हैज हैड. सेम गोज फॉर वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब, that in 1989, right, when it was invented by English scientist Tim Berners-Lee. So this World Wide Web, it was only few pages. Today there are hundreds of billions of pages. We don't even know the number of pages. The kind of information, the kind of opportunity, the kind of freedom, of course not all freedom is good, but the kind of playground that people have in terms of exploring, in terms of becoming what they want to become, that's quite fantastic. How is it that I am teaching and I love teaching so much? Because by doing this activity I am able to expand the horizons of my mind continuously on a day by day basis, कि मेरे को बहुत मजा आता है, and thanks to World Wide Web कि मैं ये सब कर पा रहा हूँ. Scientific method. So the scientific method of inquiry, what is it? Observation, experimentation, replication. Observation, experimentation, replication, right? So this transformed the way we understand natural world, the way we undertake our studies. So fantastic advancements have happened in a variety of different fields. Started somewhere in the enlightenment era, reasoning, empirical evidence के ऊपर emphasis देना. So this scientific method, it is now a part of, it is so simple, right? But that's what the idea is. Democracy of the people, by the people, for the people, right? So it's a simple yet revolutionary concept. Now across the world, people are fighting to put into place a meaningful democracy, which is having political and social consequences across the length and the breadth of the world. हम लोगों को empower कर पा रहे हैं, हम लोगों को एक सेंस ऑफ एजेंसी दे पा रहे हैं कि आप अपनी डेस्टिनी, आप अपना फेट जो है खुद अपने हाथों में ले सकते हो, आप डिसाइड कर सकते हो कि व्हाट हैपेंस इन योर लाइफ, राइट? सो दिस आइडिया ऑफ पार्टिसिपेटरी गवर्नेंस, इट इज इंस्पायरिंग a variety of social movements across the world. Human rights, okay, simple concept, we are all born humans, we have certain rights. So this universal declaration of human rights talks about right to life, liberty and security. And इसकी वजह से जो है दुनिया भर के अंदर there is this movement for justice and equality. Very straightforward, very easy to understand. Is toppling tyrants, is toppling discriminants, is challenging injustice everywhere wherever it exists. Sustainable development, carbon dioxide, greenhouse gas, global warming, right? Carrying capacity of the earth, difficult concepts जो सिर्फ यूपीएससी के बच्चे समझ सकते हैं, right? But the simple idea is that please leave the planet for the next generation the way you found it or better. As simple as that. It's like leaving the toilet seat up or something like that, right? Or leaving the toilet seat down rather, or something like that. So the idea over here is that it's a very simple idea. It's a very easily digestible idea. So it's not as if that the phenomenon behind this is not simple, is also simple. It's a very complex phenomenon that we are speaking about. But if you want some action to take place, you have to give it in a simple to use, simple to understand, simple to implement format. There can be counter argument. It isn't as if that only simple ideas are implementable. There are complex ideas. For example, theories of Karl Marx, students of sociology would especially appreciate that these theories are layered. They are complex. You have to, really dissect what Karl Marx is really trying to say in a variety of different concepts that he has been able to create, right? So, and the ideas have been deeply impactful. The ideas have sparked revolutions across the world. People still swear by Karl Marx's ideas, which are not simple at all to understand by any stretch of imagination, right? So the idea is that we are not trivializing the issue. We are not saying कि भाई बकवास है मतलब चलो easy है एकदम easy नहीं है. These simple ideas, they are serving as a gateway to explore complex dimensions, complex problems, but without getting overwhelmed, without feeling that, oh, this is beyond me. Because if you say that democracy is beyond you, then who will fight for democracy? If you say that human rights आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, who will fight for human right? So what is the implication? What is the takeaway for you as, let us say, a government servant or a civil servant or an IAS officer? What is the takeaway for you? That boss, you have to communicate complex ideas very simply. Of course, you don't oversimplify it, right? But don't give information overload, right? Cut out the noise. Be effective in, getting your message across. And in the age of social media where there is a limitation on the number of characters that we can use, so we have to distill our complex ideas into simple forms for them to become truly viral, for them to become something which people can immediately resonate with. So the conclusion is that yes, all ideas which are having large consequences, they are always simple, right? There is no doubt about that. So your Ashtangika marg, right, of let's say religious philosophers, right? So these kinds of ideas are always very simple. Again, going back to the ideas of Nanak or Mahavira or Buddha, right? So there is definitely a relationship between simplicity and the ability to effect change. It can empower individuals, it can facilitate understanding, it can inspire action, it can bring societal transformations, right? Nobody is saying that these ideas are not basically fronting for complex phenomenons, right? People spend literally years and years in meditation, in research, in reading, in understanding, after which they are able to distill their thoughts into simple workable ideas, right? So we have to strike a balance. We have to make sure that simplicity of ideas, it does not come at the cost of depth and richness. ऐसा नहीं है कि trivial, naive बातें कर रहे हैं, useless बातें कर रहे हैं, right? So we can harness the power of both simple and complex ideas and navigate the challenges by making sure that we are able to take people along with each other, right? So it's a good topic to try and write. Do try and write this topic. It will be giving you a massive boost of confidence, right? Do try to write this particular essay and please send it out to us on support@civilsright.com, right? So that's it for this particular topic. इंट्रोडक्शन के अंदर बॉडी के अंदर आई हैव गिवन यू अ लॉट ऑफ कंटेंट. कंक्लूजन के अंदर आई हैव टोल्ड यू हाउ इट इज रेलेवेंट फॉर यू एज अ सिविल सर्वेंट. व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंट मैसेज विच इज अ टेक अवे. इंट्रोडक्शन, ट्राई टू मेक इट कैची, ट्राई टू मेक इट यूनिक, ट्राई टू मेक इट मेमोरेबल, ट्राई टू मेक इट यादगार, and that will be very helpful. With this, we'll bring this session to an end. Thank you so much. All the best and Jai Hind to all of you.